Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Thank you for being here. It means so much to me, and I am so thankful for you. Thank you. This is pre-recorded because you know I'm with my family. I'd be dead if I wasn't. We're Italian. We take this stuff serious, okay? This is a quick 5-minute stretch, 1 minute each stretch. Let's get started. Starting off, we're gonna be doing a chest stretch. Bring your arms behind your back and boom. Hold it right there. We're gonna do it for 1 minute. I am not a big Thanksgiving person. I don't like the food. Turkey is disgusting and dry. Maybe my mom just makes it that way. Just kidding, Mom. You know I love your cooking. It's all turkey. Honestly, it's not the best. I'm not a big pork eater, so ham is not my thing either. I would say the best thing about Thanksgiving is the cranberry sauce and hanging out with your fam. What do you guys like about Thanksgiving the most? Leave a comment down below. This feels so good on my chest, on my back, all the good things. We have had a good month, you guys. Seriously. All right, next stretch we're gonna be doing, lean up against your wall like so, and bring your back out. So from the side, this is the wall, and you're gonna push your back out and tuck this part in, elongating the spine, and hopefully you get some cracks out of this. We're gonna hold for 1 minute. You guys get to just look at my butt for like a minute, because this is my only wall here. I just noticed I'm basically the same color as this workout set. My skin is so yellow and like fair in the winter. I prefer it over the tan summer look, but it's pretty white. Push up against the wall, pull your back out. Oh, this is such a good stretch. 10 more seconds here. All right, coming back forward. We are going to be doing one leg over the other and down, 30 seconds each, because I promise this was a 5-minute stretch. I don't wanna say 1 minute each leg and then you guys like, wait a minute, this is now a 10-minute stretch. So right foot over left, come down, try to touch your toes if you can. Bob up and down, get that hamstring stretching going. That feels so good. All right, repeating 30 seconds. Left over right, come down. Great job. Coming up, still on the legs, we're going to hold one leg up for 30 seconds and then the other leg here. So coming right here, knee is facing all the way down towards the ground and you're tucking in your tummy, tightening the core, and really focus on getting the knee directly onto the ground. Great job. 30 seconds on the other side. Just like that. Great job. Last stretch. We're going to be doing the calf stretch. Feet go in front of the other and pull forward. So almost like you're going to run, and then you're going to lean forward, keeping this foot flat on the ground. Heel and toe are both down, and you're just bending this knee a little bit and coming forward, but you're not bringing this foot up. You're keeping it on the ground. 30 seconds each side. Lean forward and feel a deep calf stretch, like so. Body comes forward with the knee, not so much like this, but more so like this. Great job. Go ahead and switch. 30 seconds on this side as well, and we are done for the day, you guys. Alrighty, there we go. Quick 5-minute stretch. I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. If you're a die-hard workout person like me, click the video on the screen to move into the next routine where you can get a real workout for the day. Don't forget, be grateful today, you guys. Be grateful every day. There's so much good in every single day in life, you know what I'm saying? So smash the like button. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.